Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is episode, I don't know, of Finish It Friday. I did not look it up before we got started, but last week I didn't have a video because, oh my gosh, things just went crazy. And I'm going to talk about that in Monday's video. I'm going to film a chatting with Alana and explain everything to you guys what was been going on. But today I want to show you Nora and my update on Sophie's Universe because I have been working a lot on it this past week. So first off, if you don't remember, let me put that there. I drew a 13-inch doll dress, and I had my heart set on two dolls that I wanted to do. One of them had little watering cans on her dress, I think, and then this one. So I chose Rachel. I just realized I put Nora in the post from last Friday. I didn't mean to do that. Oops. But I chose Rachel, and this is her. So everything that looks like this off-white is actually pink in the pattern, and I didn't want to use the pink. I wanted to go with white. So I used Red Heart Super Saver green. Was it Patty Green? It's upstairs. And the yellow was Red Heart Super Saver soft yellow, and then the white is Hobby Lobby's Crafter's Secret Magnolia Way. I ended up having enough that I could just use extra on this and then this part of her dress. So the way this is worked up is you start with the bodice, the sleeves, and then you make this layer right here. And then this whole other piece is an entire underskirt part. So that's all separate, and let me tell you, this took forever. The whole time I was doing it, I was thinking, didn't I say the last time I filmed a Finish It Friday, I didn't want to have to do a project that was going to take real long, so that's why I chose this one? No, this took an eternity to crochet. But I got it all done. I got her all put together. And I have her I turned the box upside down and sat her on the box so I could fully display her to you guys. But let me make sure she's camera ready. I think so. So here is my Rachel. It still doesn't look right. Oh, I forgot. I'll insert a picture here of the colors because what you guys are seeing is not what she looks like. But I'll insert the picture. And you guys can see how brown she looks? Well, I say that. I hope that the picture looks more to life than this video. But here she is. All done. Now, I will say I'm not the biggest fan of this. Mainly because... Where did I set the pattern? Oh, mainly because I almost feel like they have her dress stuff, like maybe there's like some sort of a tulle or some sort of like a stuffing underneath to give it body, like to make the dress to give it body is the only way I can think of, but like it's more poofed up, like it looks thicker. But here is mine. I'm super happy with her. I am going to probably set her on the back of my couch. I'm going to go ahead and just take her off the box and stick a hole in the box. There we go. Here she is. Stand her up. And her dress does not look right when she stands up. She's meant to lay down or sit down. But anyway, I finished her. I'm happy that she's done. Oh, and the back. The back has a bunch of ties because I wanted to... I didn't want to use any of my little snaps or anything like that because I wanted to be able to take this off of her at some point in case I wanted to change her dress. Well, after I used the bow or the tying the dress on, I ended up gluing her like little collar part down, and then after I did that, I was like, no, wait a minute, now I can't take the dress off of her because I just glued that down and this doesn't come off. Like, I popped her head off and put this down and glued it down and then put her head back on, so she doesn't come off. But anyway, here she is, and I am super proud of her. Her eyes look 2 different colors. It really looks like her eyes are 2 different shades of blue. Alright, well, there she is. Okay, so let me show you guys my progress on the Sophie's Universe Afghan. And oh my gosh, this thing is getting big. So I stopped on row 60. I just finished row 60, right? No. Yeah, that's right. I finished row 60. Row 61 is the last part to part 6, and then I start part 7. And so I'm over halfway. There's 113 rows. So 60... No. Yeah, 57 would have been, like 57 and a half, 56 and a half would be halfway. And I just finished row 60. So I'm over half. All right, so let me lay this out the best I can. I'm going to lean back really far. Oop, I hit the wall. Hold on, let me... Ooh. Okay, now let me try. There we go. Let me show you all of this work. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty on camera. I'm looking through the holes. I want to be able to show the short side. So when you make this pattern, you have a short side and a long side. So this little soon-to-be flower is my short side. I was going to say, if you guys hear that, that's my cat snoring. And then here is the long side. Isn't it so pretty? I could just look at this for hours. And just to think about it, when I'm done with it, how pretty that's going to look. Oh, I'm so excited. I love this. A part of me, like in my brain, I thought about, considered maybe doing another one. But then I was like, no, I don't have time right now. Especially, this is a good time to explain why I'm dressed like I am. So, I'll talk about this more on Monday's Chatting with Alana. Churchy, you're snoring so loud, buddy. So I told my husband that if we go to Texas over the summer to visit his cousins, I want our house clean. So for those of you that don't know, we are moving. We're in the middle of moving from our home, which is just like a couple miles down the road, to my husband's childhood farm home. And it is a lot because not only do we have to pack up this house, our new home, the farm home, we have to also pack up our other house. Sorry, I just had to flip him out of that box so he'll go away because he snores really bad. I can show him to you. Hold on. This is church. He's my big old man. Anywho, so I told my husband, if we're going to go to Texas, I want that house cleaned out and I want it ready to sell. And he's like, all right, well, that was my Mother's Day gift, was that he got the airplane tickets to Texas, and we're leaving the day after Father's Day. So I told him, all right, every day we're going to go there, we're going to pack up stuff, and we're going to move stuff. And he ended up buying a this cargo semi-trailer thing so we can put our stuff in it because we don't have time to do it all. It's a nightmare. So that's why I'm dressed like I am, and I usually don't ever wear a hat, but My hair looks rough today, so I've been busy. I've been working hard. Okay, let's draw a new Finish It Friday. Oh, God. It's getting to where it's almost stressful because it's like, I hope it's not something big. I hope it's not something that's going to take me forever to do. But let's do it. If it's okay, another reason I wanted to say that, I forgot about this. The other reason I wanted to tell you what I've been doing is because it came down to where I had to pack a lot of the dolls that are probably in my Finish It Friday stuff. I had to pack those up in totes. So depending on what I draw, I may have to redraw and just be like, oh, we're gonna have to put that one on the back burner because it's in a tote stat in the middle of like a 15 tall tower of packed totes. So I'm not gonna be able to get to them. It wasn't a lot of them. It may not even be any that's on the list. Or, I mean, that's in the Finish It Friday. I don't know. I think some of them were. But we'll see. We will see. All right. We have got... I don't want to look at it. I can't open it. Oh, I still can't open it. There it went. Doll dress. Dang it. That's okay. That's okay. So I'm going to set that here. Oh, for Pete's sake. And we're going to do this. This may end up being another one of those deals where it's like, this one's going to take me 2 weeks. Because if I draw another, if this is another 13-inch doll, I'm making that that real pretty one with the watering cans and the flowers. Mary? I don't remember. Anyway, it is dun 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 dun. Kaitie! It's a Kaitie doll! That's one of the dolls I didn't pack up. Yay! Yes! So, having said that, they're not packed up, but they are at my other house. However, I do have one that is here for sale that nobody's bought yet. That's the right container, right? Yeah. I will actually grab the one that I have for sale. I'm not going to use her for my project, but I will, just to give you guys an idea of what she looks like. Oh, I see her. I don't need to stop my camera. I can just go grab it real quick. Okay, so this is a Kaitie doll. I have a couple of these at home, but this one I'm selling on my Etsy shop. And also, I'm selling these dolls, too, with a whole bunch of crochet patterns. And she's going to come with a whole bunch of crochet patterns if you buy her. The links will be in the description box if you're interested. But I think I have a brunette and a blonde that looks just like this one. I think. I don't remember. Oh, that's annoying me. I can't remember. They're stacked up. Anywho, so this is a Kaitie doll. So this is what I will be crocheting a dress for, or an outfit for. I will actually pause my video, and then I will go get my binder that has all of my crochet patterns in it for her, and I'll pick out which one I want to make, and I'll show you. So I will be right back. Okay, it took me a minute to figure out which one I want to do, but I think I've got it narrowed down to which ones. I don't know. All right, so it was either this one, which this is thread, crochet thread, which I have all that here, or this one. And even now, just looking, I'm like, I really would rather make this one. They're both cute. This one is more eye-catching to me. Not eye-catching, that's not what I meant. I don't know. I don't know. How about this? Tune in next week to see which one I choose, because I don't know which one I don't know. I like them both. I really do, and I don't know which one to do. Well, let's see. Sport weight. I got that. So that's not a problem. I don't know. I think I may just do this one. I don't know. Like I said, tune in next week to see which one I pick, because I could change my mind as soon as I'm off camera. All right, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed Rachel and her odd colored eye and her odd colored dress. And but like I said, if you're interested in the pattern, and I've got a whole lot of other patterns. I've got that doll for sale. I've got Kaitie and all of these dresses plus more for sale with the purchase of the doll, but I'll put a link in the description box if you guys are interested. No pressure. But yeah. I don't know. All right, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, in the next one, I'll have an update on Sophia's universe, too. Sophie's universe, not Sophia. Why do I keep saying that? I don't know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.